Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make books filing animation with After Effects. And please like this video for supporting to me. Let's begin. Vectors from freepik.com, and I will add download link from freepik and project files, After Effects and Illustrator project files. Let's make this book animation. First step, select clothes. This is background clothes. Right mouse, pre-compass, and add pre-compass name clothes and click OK. Then select these three layers: reflection, glass, and this object. Right mouse, pre-compass, and add name glasses, click OK, and click this leaf, apple 1, apple, and apple shadow. Right mouse, pre-compass, and add name apple, and click OK. So nice. Let's make this book animation, filing animation. Select book green, yellow, red, and purple. Press P, make first keyframe. Go to 1 second, again make new keyframes, nice, and back to first keyframe, move to up. Yes, let's see. So nice. Select these keyframes, move to left, and select all keyframes. Right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease, and go to graph editor. Select this first keyframe and make smooth graph. Like this. Okay, go to some frames 1 2 3 4 5 6 and select again all books, move to up, and again go to 6 frame rate and select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this one and this one. Let's see. Okay, this have problem and let's solve it. Select these 3 keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, and change current settings to linear and click OK. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this book red, move to right, and this and this. Let's see. Okay, select this keyframes, hold alt and move to left. Let's see again. Okay, again hold alt and move left. So nice. Okay, then select this book, hold shift and press R, change rotation like this, and make first keyframe, go to here and change 7. Let's solo and go to some frames, change again 4 and 0. Let's see. Okay, select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Nice. Select rotation, Ctrl C for copy rotation keyframes. Go to here, select this, and Ctrl V for paste. Let's click here for invisible. Okay, let's see. Nice. And select this book yellow, Ctrl V for paste rotation keyframes like this, and let's see. Nice. Again select this book green and Ctrl V for paste rotation keyframes. Nice. Let's make shadow, book shadows. Press T in the keyboard, open opacity, change 0, make keyframe, go to some frames and change 100. Let's see. Okay, nice. and select circle, press S in the keyboard, open scale. In this time, make keyframe, go to here and change 0. Let's see. So let's make animation for this apple. Open apple, okay. Select apple, go to palm behind and move to anchor point down like this, and select apple 1. Again move to anchor point down and leave someone, okay. Then go to window, open animation composer. This is free plugin from Mr. Horse and you can download free on official website. Open this and make scale animation like this. Okay, select these 2 layers and click here. Let's see. Nice. Like this, and select apple. Again click here, change this. So nice. Let's change layers, okay, and select shadow, press T in the keyboard, change 0. In this time press opacity keyframe, go to here and make 100. So nice. Let's close apple and move to right. So nice. Let's make this glasses animation. Open glasses, select glass, Ctrl D for duplicate and select reflection, move to center, open toggle switch, change none to alpha matte glass 2. Yes, let's see. Okay, nice. Press S in the keyboard and scale. Yes. Okay, let's make reflection animation. Press P in the keyboard, make keyframe, move to here and change position like this. Back to books and let's see. Okay, select glasses and press P, make keyframe like this and move to right. Let's see. Okay, select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease, and go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video. Thank you so much.